Hello guys, welcome to Tech Chicks tutorial. Today, I will show you how to share projects from Capcut Mobile to your PC. First, open the Capcut app on your mobile device. Navigate to the project you want to share and tap on the three dots at the corner of the project screen. Select Upload to Cloud and then click Upload. Remember, you have to sign in with your Capcut account if prompted, both in your mobile device and PC for them to sync. Now switch to your PC and open the Capcut desktop application or the website. Sign in to the same account you used to sync your project on your mobile device. In the Capcut desktop app or the website, navigate to the Spaces section. Here, you should see the project you synced from your mobile device. Click on the project to download it to your PC, and once the download is complete, you can open and edit your project on your computer. Take note that you can only access these uploaded files in the Capcut app, so make sure it is installed in your PC. And that's it! You've successfully shared your Capcut project from your mobile device to your PC using the sync feature. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Tech Tricks tutorials. Thanks for watching!